Session ending examination, class 6, subject science, maximum marks 60, time 2 hours 30 minutes. Section A, multiple choice question carrying 1 mark each. Question 1, what is a reference point? Answer C, a fixed object or location. Question 2, which of the following is not a planet of Sun? Answer B, Pluto. Question 3, which of the following objects does not belong to the same group? Answer D, plastic cup. Question 4, which of the following does not grow? Answer B, eraser. Question 5, what is the typical range of a laboratory thermometer? Answer B, minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Question 6, which type of thermometer was used during COVID-19 pandemic for non-contact measurement? So friends, there is a mistake. Over is wrong. Here should come COVID-19. So which type of thermometer was used during COVID-19 pandemic for non-contact measurement? Answer B, infrared thermometer. Question 7, threshing is done by. Answer D, all of these, beating, machines and bullocks. Question 8, which of the following substances are commonly separate using the churning method? Answer C, cream from milk. Question 9, which of the following best describe condensation? Answer D, the conversion of water vapor into its liquid state. Question 10, which one is not hard to touch? Answer B, water. Question 11, which of the following is not a member of our solar system? Answer A, Sirius. Question 12, which of the following gas do not used in breathing? Answer A, carbon dioxide. Section B, fill in the blanks with appropriate word carrying 1 mark each. Question 13, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Question 14, the normal temperature of a healthy human body is taken to be 37 degrees Celsius. Question 15, material which are difficult to compress or scratch are hard materials. Section C, one word, one sentence type, carrying 1 mark each. Question 16, what is the SI unit of length? Answer meter, m. Question 17, name the material which is transparent and is not visible. Answer air. Question 18, what is the SI unit of temperature? Answer Kelvin K. Question 19, what is germination? Answer, germination is the process by which a seed develops into a new plant. Question 20, what are insectivorous plants? Answer, insectivorous plants are plants that trap and eat insects like the pitcher plant. Section D, assertion, reason, question, carrying 1 mark each. Assertion A, digital thermometers are replacing mercury thermometers. Reason R, mercury is a toxic substance and digital thermometer provide easier to read displays. Answer A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of the A. Section E, true or false, carrying 1 mark each. Question 22, clinical thermometer are used for measuring the temperature of boiling water. This is false. Question 23, air is considered matter because it has mass and occupied space. This is true. Question 24, linear motion can be observed in a car driving on a straight road. This is also true. Section F, match the column, carrying 3 marks. Question 25, match the following item given in column A with that in column B. Column A moving air, fifth wind. B, saving water, first water harvesting. C, sunlight, sixth source of energy. D, disintegration, fourth rock. E, oxygen, third breath. F, hand axis, second soil. Section G, passage case based questions, carrying 1 mark each. Water is an essential part of life on earth. It exists in 3 states, solid, liquid and gas. The most familiar form of water is liquid, which we use for drinking, washing and cooking. However, water can change its state under different conditions of temperature. When frozen, water becomes solid ice. When heated, it turns into water vapor, a gas that we can't see but feel as steam. Question 26a, what are the 3 states in which water exists? Answer: water exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Question 26b. What happens to water when it is frozen? Answer: when water is frozen, it becomes solid ice. Question 26c. How do we feel water when it turns into vapor? Answer: when water turns into vapor, we feel it as steam, though we can't see it. Section H. Short answer questions carrying 2 marks each. Question 27. Suppose the distance between your school and home is 1.5 km. Express it in meters. So friends, we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we multiply 1.5 kilometer with 1000 and we get 1500 meters. Question 28. What are opaque materials? Give two examples of opaque object. Answer: opaque materials do not allow light to pass through them. Examples: wood and metal. Question 29. Can we measure the body temperature of a person without touching the body? What device should be used for this? So there is an error, don't. So here should come should. Answer: yes, we can measure body temperature without touching. Device: infrared thermometer. Question 30. What is water cycle? Answer: the water cycle is the process by which water continuously moves through the environment by evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Question 31. Why is Venus called the twin planet? Answer: Venus is called the twin planet of Earth because it is similar in size, mass, and composition to Earth. Question 32. What is respiration? Answer: respiration is the process by which living beings take in oxygen and release energy from food. Section I. Long answer questions. Question 33. 4 marks. Would it be a good idea to use paper like material for making cooking utensils? Answer: no. It is not a good idea to use paper like materials for cooking utensils. Reasons: first, paper burns easily and is not heat resistant. Second, it can catch fire and cause accidents. Third, it is not durable or strong enough to hold food when heated. Question 34. Give characteristic of living organism in details. Answer: characteristics of living organisms. First, growth. All living things grow with time. Second, reproduction. They produce their own kind. Third, respiration. They use oxygen to release energy. Fourth, response to stimuli. They react to changes around them like light, sound. Fifth, movement. Plants show slow movements. Animals move from one place to another. Sixth, excretion. They remove waste from their bodies. Seventh, they need food to stay alive. So friends, you can write any 5 points from the given 7 points as this is a 5 marks question. Question 35. What is the mixtures? Explain the method of separation. 5 marks. Answer: mixture. A mixture is made when two or more substances are combined without any chemical change. Examples: salt in water, sand, and iron. Separation methods: first, hand picking, removing stones from rice. Second, sieving, separating flour from bran. Third, filtration, separating tea leaves from tea. Fourth, churning, separating cream from milk. Fifth, decantation, removing clear water from mud. Question 36. Define motion. Name any three types of motion. 4 marks. Answer: motion. Motion is the change in the position of an object with time. Three types of motion. First, linear motion. Movement in a straight line. Example, car on a straight road. Second, circular motion. Movement in a circular path. Example, fan. Third, periodic motion. Repeated movement over fixed intervals. Example, pendulum. So friends, we have completed session ending examination for class 6 subject science. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. You can support me with channel membership and super thanks. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.